Hello friends, Sanat Thakur. Why realtors fail and how to avoid them. So first reason is lack of consistent lead generation. One of the main reasons realtors fail is because they don't prioritize consistent lead generation. Relying on a handful of leads or referrals can lead to dry spells in business. Successful realtors continuously prospect and build their client base through networking, marketing, and outreach. To avoid this, set aside dedicated time each day or week or lead generation activities such as cold calling, sending emails, or attending local events using online portals, social media, digital marketing, so many things. Second, poor time management. Real estate requires juggling multiple responsibilities from meeting clients and showing properties to handling paperwork and marketing. Realtors who don't manage their time effectively often find themselves overwhelmed and unable to meet deadlines. To prevent this, create a structured schedule, set priorities, and use productivity tools to stay organized. Third point is inadequate market knowledge. Failing to understand the local market can quickly damage a realtor's reputation and credibility. Clients rely on their agent to provide insight into property values, neighborhood trends, and market conditions. To avoid these mistakes, new and experienced realtors should regularly study their market, attend local meetings, and stay updated on real estate news. Next, lack of proper training and education. Real estate is complex, and agents who don't invest in continuing education can fall behind. Without updated skills and knowledge, it becomes harder to provide value to clients. To stay competitive, realtors should pursue relevant certifications, attend workshops, and seek mentorship from experienced professionals. Next, poor communication skills. Many realtors fail because they don't communicate effectively with clients, whether it's slow responses, unclear information, or failing to keep clients informed. Poor communication can result in lost trust and business. To succeed, prioritize clear, prompt, and proactive communication. Make sure your clients always know what's happening and what the next steps are. 6. Not using technology efficiently. In today's digital age, realtors who don't leverage technology are at a disadvantage. Failing to use tools like CRM software, social media, and virtual tools can limit exposure and efficiency. Embracing technology helps streamline your work and reach more potential clients. Stay updated on new tools and platforms that can make your job easier and more effective. 7. Unrealistic expectations. Some new realtors enter the field expecting quick and easy money. When they don't see immediate success, they become discouraged and give up. Real estate is long-term career that requires persistence, patience, and hard work. Setting realistic expectation and understanding that building a successful career takes time is key. 8th is weak marketing strategy. A lack of effective marketing is another reason why realtors struggle. Without a clear plan for promoting themselves and their listings, agents miss out on attracting new clients. To avoid this, create a strong marketing strategy that includes both traditional methods, example flyers, open houses, and digital marketing, example social media posts, email campaigns. Ninth is failure to adapt. The real estate market is constantly changing due to economic shifts, technology advancements, and industry trends. Realtors who fail to adapt to these changes risk becoming irrelevant. Stay flexible, learn new skills, and be willing to adjust your approach as needed to stay competitive. 10. Neglecting client follow-up. Many realtors lose potential repeat business and referrals because they don't follow up with their clients after closing a deal. Maintaining relationships with past clients can lead to a steady stream of referrals and repeat business. Keep in touch with your clients through periodical calls, mails, or personalized messages. Next is not treating real estate as a business. Some realtors approach their career too casually and don't treat it as a business. This leads to a lack of structure, planning, and growth. Success. Create business plans, set goals, and regularly evaluate their performance to identify areas for improvement. Next is fear of rejection and failure. Real estate can be tough, and the fear of hearing no or facing setbacks discourages many agents. However, rejection and failure are part of the process. To succeed, develop a mindset that embraces challenges as learning opportunities and keeps pushing forward despite obstacles. Understanding and addressing these common pitfalls can help new and experienced realtors build a sustainable and successful career. Stay consistent, invest in your education, embrace technology, and maintain a client focused approach to overcome these challenges and thrive in the real estate industry. With this, I am done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.